In this video, we're going to unbox Sony's latest DualSense controllers and talk about the secret changes that have been discovered in the Starlight Blue, Galactic Purple, and Nova Pink DualSense editions. If you're one of the many users who has stick drift or adaptive triggers that are starting to show signs of failure on your original DualSense controller, it's probably crossed your mind at some point that it might be best to just purchase a replacement controller in hopes to solve these issues and that it never happens to you again. But before you spend your money on a brand new DualSense controller, there's a few things that you should know so you don't make a mistake and end up in the same situation again. The first thing is that if you're currently considering a replacement controller, then I strongly recommend you go with one of the latest editions of DualSense controllers. That would be the Starlight Blue, Galactic Purple, or Nova Pink. And no, it's not just because these new colors look fantastic. It's actually because Sony made a few internal mechanical upgrades to these newer DualSense controllers that nobody even knew about. And it wasn't until the YouTuber Tronics fix did a complete teardown of these controllers that the hidden changes were discovered. And as it turns out, Sony actually made some interesting mechanical design changes to both the DualSense thumbsticks as well as the adaptive triggers. So it looks like Sony is aware of the common issues that users experience and is attempting to make corrections with their latest controllers. Now, whether or not these changes will in fact completely fix stick drift or failing adaptive triggers on the DualSense has yet to be seen. But I still think you're better off going with one of these later model controllers specifically for these mechanical enhancements. Otherwise, you could end up with the same issue later down the line by just purchasing the same controller again. Now, it is likely that the same mechanical changes will eventually make their way to the later manufacturer default controllers. The problem is that if you're at a store just looking at the box, there's really no way to tell how old or new a controller is. So if you want your next DualSense controller to last as long as possible, your best bet for right now is just going with one of the new Galaxy controllers specifically for the better internal mechanics. Chances are you're going to be much better off and it'll be less likely for you to experience problems in the long term. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to please leave a like rating, comment below to let me know what you think, and as always, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for post notifications. I'll see you guys next video, boys.